Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some of the important factors or perhaps myths versus reality, and perhaps it's a kind of myth busters, right? The first one is you should write about 300 words to get better band skill. It's absolutely false. Just 250 words are required, including the counts of articles and preposition, and this is important. So everything that you jot down is counted. However, you should try to write about 270, I'll say 275 words, because if an idea is repeated or if you are repeating a vocabulary, perhaps it may not be counted, or if many sentences can be considered irrelevant. In that case, so to be on the safer side, try to write 275, about 270 words. Writing more may backfire if you make any error. So they are not errors, sorry. If so, you're not going to get any benefit. But if you are making grammatical mistakes or you are using too common vocabulary, you might lose the mark. So there are only risks and no real benefit. Right. Second myth is introduction is the most important part of the writing. Many experts say that, but that's not true. In fact, body paragraphs are more important because they contribute to maximum to task response and coherence and cohesion part, right? In no way, no mean I'm saying that don't focus on the introduction, but body paragraphs the most important part. Handwriting is extremely important. No, it's not true. Really, handwriting itself is not at all important, but it has to be easily readable, comprehensible. If examiner is not able to read it, that can really create problem. There are some other factors that you have to keep in mind, which is not mentioned here, is that there should be a proper alignment in your writing. So if well, you're writing on the answer sheet, um, if you're writing with the left line, so you should always begin with the same alignment on the left side and the right side, right? That looks good, and this is a part of the organization. And all other important or general facts I have already told you in the beginning. Let's talk about how to practice effectively on your own, right? The first is learn or practice to use complex sentences, structure in grammar part. So you can learn it through grammatical part. I'll send you one PDF file that I have already promised to you. But you need an expert perhaps to give you the feedback. So take a topic on which you have to write on, and then prepare some vocabulary and expressions and collocations for the topic, as I have shown you that the way it can be prepared: topic related, precise, vocabulary, synonyms, paraphrasing, collocation. Begin to write on the original answer sheet by setting your times for 40 minutes. Original answer sheet, if you don't know, I will send you with the PDF format. If you can check it, do it. But that is a bit difficult, because if when you can check it, that means you might not make mistakes. So take the help of an expert to evaluate your writing task. Perhaps this is very important for the writing and the speaking part, because you cannot evaluate your writing yourself. You need the help of an expert, right? Improve your writing based on the post evaluation feedback. So whatever feedback you are getting from an expert, based on that you can keep improving your writing. Keep doing it until you consistently perform as required, means you are getting the required band skill. Please ensure not repeating the same mistakes in the subsequent writing when you are getting the feedback from an expert. And if you want to take help from me, I am always there to help you. And so this is the last message for you. Hello my dear friends, I'm confident this course must have been worthwhile for you, and you must have enjoyed it as well. Although I have covered the subject extensively, writing tasks sometimes require an expertise to check and give feedbacks. If you are interested in getting your writing checked by me with a complete feedback about your mistakes followed by a model answer, please write a mail to me at the impactielts@gmail.com. Right, so writing correction service, if you want, you just have to drop a mail on this, and I'll be there to help you. And If you want additional benefit, there is an offer for you. There is an offer for you. If you mention the details of this course subscription, you can avail special discount as well. So in your service, and I hope that will help you a lot. Once you get the feedback from an expert on your writing, that will be massive help for you, right? So if you feel the need, please avail this opportunity for your benefit to get your desired band scale in IELTS. Right now, I'll talk about some of the additional resource that you can take help from. You can use Cambridge Grammar for IELTS with answer, and I'm giving you all the resource which is authentic and approved by international educationists. Right, Cambridge Vocabulary for IELTS. This one is for grammar. This one is for the vocabulary part, and then you can use English vocabulary in use by Cambridge intermediate to upper intermediate level. You can find a lot of collocation and English collocation in use by Cambridge, again intermediate and advanced level. So perhaps if you go through, but the main part is that you have to apply it. Reading a book won't help you at all. You need to apply it in your writing, right? Okay, so thank you very much for watching the entire video. I hope it will help you immensely, and I am wishing you all the best for your preparation and all the best for your IELTS test, right? And I hope you will get the desired band scale, and please do inform me on the same mail that I have just shown you in the previous slide, and inform me that you have achieved the desired success. All the best for your IELTS test. Bye. And finally, goodbye.